that navigation there, where you can actually also search for some keywords in that same document. So we have shown our navigation pane. If yours is already showing, just let it be there and you see that its effect later. So now let's see. You see, after I've shown the navigation pane, I don't have anything there. You see, it says this document does not contain headings. So to create navigation tabs, create headings in your document by applying heading style. So Word is so, or Office, generally Microsoft, they do smart things to help you and make your life so easy. So in this case, let's go and practice seeing slates that I have here. So in this case, we want that when we create our PDF, we should see introduction in that, and then we should also see another heading. We'll apply headings to all these. So let me start the heading, applying the heading just to save time. So here, introduction, just highlight it, the one you want to appear in your bookmarks, as bookmarks in your PDF file, final product PDF file. So we highlight this introduction and then go to the home and then apply any of the headings that we want. So we apply heading 1 to it, and we can actually also apply maybe heading 2 to this outline if we want it to show in the so we can also apply another heading 2, and then we continue whichever text we want it to appear in our. And notice to the left, this was telling us some message that we do not have headings. Now I just applied headings to the introduction and it is showing there. So it means if I want to go back to the introduction page, I click there and I'm there. So that's the purpose of this navigation pane. So let's go. Highlight this sentence. I just prefer double clicking around the sentence to highlight it, but you could just drag across it and it will be highlighted. So also apply another heading there, heading 1, and notice they are appearing to my left in the navigation pane. So all these, we want them to be used as the means of navigating our PDF file. So we are applying headings to them. Any of the headings you choose, any of the styles you choose, you could use them. So I can also apply heading 1 there again. So if that is heading 1, and then I used to have another, that one should also be another heading. Let's say the different versions. You want to show the different versions of MS Word. That one to show, and this is a blank heading which is there. We don't want that place to be a heading, so we can change that portion alone to normal. And once I click to apply normal, you notice that that blank gap that was showing here is gone. So that point. So let's continue to wherever I can find another heading. Let's continue. So here too, we want this to show in there. We also format that as heading 1, and they will keep showing. If they keep showing, so formatting sections document differently. So you want that one to be heading 2, and then possibly you want the various section breaks apply if you want them to show. And here too, we come again, we highlight this and apply, let's say, the heading 1 there again, and then we go on and on. This place is normal. We apply some heading 1. I could apply a different heading, smaller, and then this document was actually used as a practice because I want to be using the same document as a slate. It was used as a means of demonstrating how pages can be set using section breaks differently in the same document. So you know some page size is very small of its own size, this in its own size, this A5, and then the document is having 7 different page sizes. So that was done in a different tutorial. So we are done. We can see our document is having the various headings that were applied, and then we can now use our navigation pane to jump to it. So it means if the document is even 1,000 pages, and you did the normal application of the styles to it, each of the needed interested headings, you can just always go there by the click of a mouse and it will jump there, and you don't need to be scrolling all. So now that we are done, let's go ahead and create our PDF file. So we go to File, and then save it as PDF. So File, save it as PDF. You can use that, or you can just still say save as. Any of the ways can lead you to the same area to produce your good file. So formatting, we are going to save our file. Let's allow that. Okay, let's save it as creating bookmarks. So then notice the save as type. We change it. Instead of saving it as type, we save it as PDF. We click to change this save as type, we change it to PDF, and we will see things will change there. Change to the different things, add tags to the document. So you can add several other tags. So let's say when the document especially is online, some tags, it can easily be found. You can add some tags. So let's create bookmark. Alright, and then you add another tag after the semicolon. Say using MS Word, and then something. So we have option to create it as a standard PDF meant for both printing and then online publishing, or you can just create it as a document meant for online presentation or publishing. So any of them, as you prefer. And then this is where, if this is not checked, when you finish creating it, it just saves the file and then it keeps quiet until you open it. You won't see. So we'll go ahead and open it, the file, after it is created. Now we still go ahead and ask for more options. Now these options, the headings, so here this is already checked, so headings will be used. If you don't want it, you won't get that, as your headings won't be used as a means of bookmarking. So this is what we want, so we did it. If you don't want your document properties information to be along that file, you uncheck it. Such things as the author and those things will not be part of those things. So we go ahead, and then if we also want the document to be passworded, you can choose this option in addition, but we don't want to encrypt it with any password. So if you wanted to create the PDF from a specific range of pages, if the document is 100 pages and you wanted to create from page 1 to whatever pages from what to what, you could specify that range. If you just wanted only the page, this page, fine. But the document is full document, so we want the whole document, all the range, the document should be exported as PDF. So we say, okay, we are fine. When we finish, we save. All right. So we are going to save that, let's say, on our desktop or our pen drive. So we say save. When we save, because we check to open it, after it has converted, it will open it. Yes, so it has finished creating our PDF. So our PDF file is created. It is a 16-page document. 1/16 there means that the document is 16 and we are currently in the first page. So we go straight to this bookmark area button and click. When we click, we'll see that our document is actually also having the bookmarks. Just like how we use the navigation pane in that's our PDF file, we can equally navigate the document with ease. We can go to the last in that format. So, in a nutshell, that's how you create PDF files with navigation enabled to make navigating the document PDF file easy for the reader. So they don't have to be jumping from page to page by either scrolling or trying to find text and that. They only need to open up the navigation bookmark pane and then they are there. So go ahead, practice, practice, practice. So exactly, that's it. Informative enough and helpful to all of us. Thank you.